How to fix WhatsApp message problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp message problem on Android phone. First, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and now scroll down until you find here WhatsApp. Click on it and then click storage, and now click clear cache, and then click force stop, and that's it. Now just here we'll find go back until you find battery and disable power saving mode, disable it, and now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.